In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Instagram with make.com. So this should be a quick and easy process video. As you can see, to connect your Instagram business account with make.com, you can integrate. So you can create a Facebook developer account on the Facebook developer website, set up your Instagram account as a business account and connect it to a Facebook page. Create a new Facebook app for your integration. Access the Facebook developer dashboard. Navigate to the Instagram basic display tab and then obtain the user token by following the authentication process and granting necessary permissions. Log in to your make.com, add the Instagram module to your scenario and create new connection. After that, configure actions in your scenario. Test each action to ensure they function correctly. Enable each scenario to run automatically. And there you have it. This was an easy and quick process video. As always, thank you for watching.